How to install a WordPress extension. Installing a WordPress extension, also known as a plugin, can greatly enhance your website functionality. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to install a WordPress extension seamlessly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard, and you can do this by navigating to your website followed by /wp-admin, enter your credentials and access to the admin area. Then you will be taken to this type of interface which we call dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the menu on the left hand side. You can see it over here. From this menu, simply go to plugins, which is over here. Tap on it. That will take you to the plugin marketplace. On the plugin marketplace, you will see a search bar over here. Here's the search bar at the top right corner, and find the extension you want. Type in the name of functionality of the plugin you are looking for. Take a moment to review the results. Look at the ratings and reviews to ensure that it meets your need. Once you found the desired extension, just click on install now. So right now I can't see install now over here because now I'm using a free plan. If you have an upgraded plan, you will see install somewhere over here or over here. After you tap on install now, it will start installing. Download it. This process may take a few seconds, and after installation, install now button will change to activate. Now click the activate button to enable the extension on your website. Once activated, you may need to configure the setting, which can typically found under the setting menu or the menu on the dashboard. You can find it over here or under the setting under these things. And there you have, you have successfully installed a WordPress extension. Explore the features and see how it enhances your website performance. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.